Hey everyone, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W38A for Minecraft. This snapshot introduces a few new features, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. In this snapshot, sprinting is no longer reduced to walking when brushing against a wall. This is different from previous versions, where even slightly touching the wall would force your character to walk. But now, with minor angles of collision, you can continue sprinting. However, if your angle of collision is semi-big, then you will be reduced to a walk. There was also a bug related to no sound for using shears on weeping, twisting, cave vines, or kelp in the last snapshot. But in this new snapshot, there are now sounds for these events. In this snapshot, the distribution of ores has once again changed. Copper ore now generates up to Y95 as opposed to Y96 in the previous snapshot, and the amount of copper ore generating has increased. Additionally, lapis lazuli now generates in blobs, similarly to other ores, instead of generating spread out. Also, the new grove biome, which was introduced in the previous snapshot, now generates large spruce trees in this biome. In the previous 21W37A snapshot, there was a bug in which strongholds would not generate. However, this week, the bug has been fixed. Additionally, dripstone caves generated above ground in previous snapshots. However, this snapshot has also fixed this world generation bug. And the amount of aquifers on biome surfaces at around Y equals 63 has been decreased in this snapshot. A new setting called Simulation Distance has been added in this version. This is the distance around your player in which entities will be updated, meaning that any entities outside of this setting will have no AI until they are in your distance. The maximum amount of background threads has also been increased, allowing for better world generation and background task performance on computers. World loading telemetry has also been added in this snapshot. Telemetry will identify technical issues within the game, such as how different hardware performs in the new world generation, or understanding game features and mechanics. This data can then be interpreted by Mojang to make Minecraft more enjoyable for everyone. And that is all for this snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to explore the new update, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.